What's up, guys? Joe Drake here with the Axiom Fitness Academy. Happy Monday. Your guys' move of the week this week is a split stance rotation. So I'm going to use a resistance band. You can use a cable as well. But just like a normal rotation, I'm going to line my shoulder up in line with that anchor. And the only difference is, instead of an even stance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a nice big step back and kind of drop myself into a half lunge. Now we could do it with either leg forward, and I encourage you guys to play with that a little bit. But start with your inside leg forward first, and just get to a position where you feel nice and stable. And then what we're gonna do is lock those arms out, rotate over across the body, nice and slow, controlled back. All right, I like this one. Not only great for getting some core rotation in, but one that also really forces you to have to stabilize below the waist to keep yourself from getting pulled off balance. So give that one a try both sides, and then let us know what you think.